Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows 11 operating system. So this solution is also applicable for Windows 10. So don't worry, what you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. In the first step, we need to go to control panel. So type in the search bar control panel and click here to open it. Once we're here, click on network and internet, then click on network and sharing center and click on your internet connection. Select properties and then select IPv4 and open its properties. Now check this box, use the following DNS server address and type here 8.8.8.8 and press tab button to go into the alternate DNS server section. Now type here 8.8.4.4, then click on OK and close all windows one by one. Now open Chrome. Once we are here, we need to just click on these three dots and go to its settings. Privacy and security. Then click on clear browsing data. Select all time and clear all browsing data. Once done, close this window. In the last step, right click on the start icon, select settings. Now click on these three lines and select network and internet. Then just scroll down, go to advanced network settings. Again scroll down, click on network reset and select reset now. Select S and we need to restart the system. Just go here, restart the system and problem will be solved. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. That will be also a better way to fix this issue. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.